How's it going, guys? I just got a quick, fast unboxing video here. Let's see what I got here. I got some bubble wrap. I got a, oh, that's a filter. Foam cannon. I'm sure everybody's got this. Alright, let's open it up. Mosquito. Okay. Let's see here. Got the bottle. Bottle's nice and thick. Sturdy. 100 tips. 5 tips. A who's. And the nozzle. Alright. Guess that goes like this. Like that. That screws in like this. Yeah, looks like it goes all the way to the bottom here. Okay. Okay, hook this side up to a pressure washer. Here is the nozzle. Okay. Come with instructions, parts, all that good stuff. I'll probably read this after I use it. Alright. Does it come with a sticker? No, it doesn't. Comes with that 1-year warranty. Cool. Alright. Let me get going, hook this up to the pressure washer, and let's see what happens. Alright. Let's add some soap to this. I'm using this Turtle Wax. You know what got me? You know what sold me? It says foam sprayer ready. Yep. I know, it's kind of silly. Oh, it wasn't even sealed. Alright. Let's fill this bugger up. Fill it up at least halfway. And let's put a little bit more. And splurge. Alright. It's enough. It smells great. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright. And the pressure washer I'm using is Ryobi 2000 PSI. Alright. Let's see, what should I wash first? That. I guess I'll start with that. Alright, here we go. Here is the end of that. Let's say hello. Stick it in. Oh yeah, it fits too. Good. Okay, and there is a plus and a minus up here. And the nozzle is currently wide. Let's see what happens. Oh! Okay, let's try and figure something out here. Thinner. See what happens. Ooh, that's just a big mess. Let's make it wider. Wide, let's make it wide. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I like that. Let's mess with this. More soap. Plus, I guess. Plus. Oh, that's water. Let's put it on minus. All the way minus. Let's see, all the way minus. I got the power. Oh, all over the wheels. Yeah. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, look at that. Look at those suds. Probably wasting a lot of soap. You know what? I should have got the truck wet first. Darn it. Take this off. Oh, look how much soap I used. I'm going to use this black one here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's good to hose everything down first. That's a good idea. Alright. Make everything wet. Okay, let me try the green one. This is right there, 25 degree. Okay, let's put that on. Oh, does it fit on my stuff? Oh yeah, it fits good. All right. Oh my God, this thing is awesome. Probably wasted a whole lot of soap though. Oh, this thing is awesome. Alright. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Aloha.